up everybody, this is Madi from Madi's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be unboxing an office chair. Stay tuned. Alright, let's start unboxing. Alright, here's the box of the professional chair. This is by a company called Belize. So we're just going to go ahead and open up this box. As you can see right here, here is the chair's arm. Very well wrapped in bubble wrap. So here's one of the arms. It's got a lot of padding here at the top. Here is the other arm. Again, very well padding at the top. Alright, this is to swivel your chair up and down, which will go on the bottom of the seat. Then right here, we're going to go ahead and pull out the top of the chair, which is the back portion. As you can see, it's well wrapped in this plastic. Very good padding, very well designed. I did notice a very heavy leather smell on this, but nothing, that discouraged of purchasing this chair. And here is the owner's manual, how to put together this chair. And right here, as you can see, it is very sturdy. It is very thick in padding, very comfortable. This is where your head rests at the top. Very good padding for your back. And the screws right here on the side, that will be for your armrest when you get this all connected. So now we're going to make our way to the box, and we're going to go ahead and pull out the bottom side, which is the actual chair that you're going to sit on. Very thick, very good padding on this. So let's just go ahead and get this plastic. It has been well wrapped. It's kind of hard to take out. But as you can see, the leather in this is very smooth. Right here on the side where your screws go in for the armrests. Again, this is also very cushioned, very soft, elegant looking. And right here is all your tools in this box, including your wheels for your chair and the pump. Right here is the bottom for your stand, and then you'll add the wheels at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and build this chair. We'll be back once it's all built. And as you can see, it is all built and put together. How nice it looks. It's very cushiony. The wheels are fantastic. It swivels, it moves back. So we're just going to go ahead and give you a side view with the armrests. Then we're going to go ahead and move up to the top so you can see how much the cushion this chair has. And then we're going to make our way to the back side. And this is what the chair looks in the back. And then this is what the wheels look like. So if you're interested in this chair, I would highly recommend this one, as it is very sturdy, very good priced. I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also update in APK. You can also check me out at modisreviewchannel.com. Thanks for watching.